Hello and welcome to LaMeel TV. I am Priestess LaMeel and I just knocked something over. And today we are on day 12 of manifesting miracles, and today's topic is all about creating a daily practice. We are on a roll with this whole recording thing since we had a little snag last week, so I'm really excited to be getting these videos out to you. If you are new here, welcome. I am Priestess LaMeel and I teach on magic, manifesting, and spirituality. I offer multiple courses on my website. I have a Goddess Sacred Circle. This is an extension of that sacred circle that you can be a part of. I have group coaching called Alignment Boss, which is absolutely phenomenal because it has the best women in the world in that program, amongst other things. If you'd like to get a private reading with me or schedule a session, I also talk about finances a lot in my manifesting, so I do have some financial courses on credit and trade lines and creating streams of income, so you can always book a session to talk to me about those things. Again, those links are all below. So the topic of this video is about creating a daily practice, and you need this. This is something that evolves, okay? So don't feel like I have this practice that I can't deviate, right? A practice isn't rigid. Okay, it should grow and it should change and it should morph as you grow and change and ascend, okay? But having a practice on a daily basis is what helps you get centered, get aligned, get into the space of manifesting, of holding the space for miracles. It's what sets you up for your success, for feeling good, for your manifesting success. That's what it does. And this can be a short practice. It could be a long practice. It can be something that happens all day long. It's really up to you. The main thing is that you need to get one. So I'm going to give you some examples of what my students do with their practices and how they start small and build, okay? So one of the best times to implement your daily practice is when you first wake up, right? Because it's a fresh, clean slate, new day, energy is new, the whole thing. So my alignment practice isn't just about manifesting or spiritual alignment. It's also about health. It's also about feeling good. It's about looking good. So my practices incorporate a lot of different things. A lot of my students start with warm water in the morning because it just helps to get the body running, right, and moving and kind of lubed up. So a warm cup of water, some lemon, apple cider vinegar, a turmeric tea, something of that nature to help get you going. Those who are into divination, they may pull a card for the day. They may go to somebody's channel like my LaMeel Magic channel and listen to some magic information. Some people may listen to Abraham. Some people just have their favorite motivational. I'm gonna put a link to this guy. I don't have my phone. I'm gonna put a link to a guy, and I want to say he's like King something, right? But he has these kick-ass hour to 10-hour videos that just do nothing but show fucking amazing lifestyles that include eating well, driving, beautiful cars, going to beautiful places, being around beautiful people. And I love having that on. I turn that on because that's in the background. That's my life, right? And so even if I'm not actively engaged in that life, what I'm doing is prepping me, and it's always reminding me, like, this is your life. right? Regardless of what else is happening, this is your life. This is what you're gravitating towards. This is what you're manifesting. You can read affirmations that are helping you change and release old belief systems. You can do yoga. You can do earthing. Your workout can be part of your alignment practice. You can combine your workout with listening to affirmations or watching something like what I'm talking about. And I will definitely put the link. I have to make a note because you know I will forget. And if for some reason it's not down there, leave me a message and I will make sure that I put it down there under the video. But we're going to put the link. So, to King's videos. So, the things that make you feel good. Some people set lights or light candles in the morning. I'm trying to think of some other really common things that can be done, but it's all about what resonates with you. It's all about what's supporting your life, your lifestyle. What helps you get centered, what helps you get focused, what helps you remember your goals. You may write down, you know, what you're trying to achieve, what your intention is to manifest, what miracle that you're trying to draw into your life right now. And you may read that 52 times in the morning. You may read in the morning before you set off onto your busy day. There's a lot of things. I have things I do throughout the day. So there's certain things I do in the morning. There's things that I stop and do throughout my day. And then there's things I do at night. I don't do things in a particular order. I do things based on how I'm called. And it's not rigid. So I add things that no longer serve me, I take out and I add new things. I learn new techniques and go, I love this. And so I start with that. And then I'm like, I've had enough. Like you may have seen when I was talking about the phone and my phone going off every hour on the hour. And that was fucking life-changing 5 years ago. I tried to do, let's go back to some basics. And I was like, this shit doesn't work for me. I have too much going on. Like I'm making videos, I'm doing content, I'm having meetings, I'm playing with the kids, I'm whatever. And when I'm in the play zone, it's not that big a deal. But it became a nuisance when I started recording a lot of content at one time. Because there's days, just because of the different programs that I offer and the content that I'm trying to deliver to you on YouTube, where it going off every hour, and I have a 4-hour set that I'm trying to produce the content for the next month or what have you. It's annoying as fuck. So I had to adjust those hours, and then I decided I'm working on changing my mindset, so I'm going to use that not for gratitude. I'm going to use that to remind me and reinforce my new belief, right? So allow things to be fluid. Allow things to come to you, you know, and benefit you for the time span that they do. But you need to get something, whatever it is, think about it, research it. You can watch some of my other videos, but get started. Right? Write it down. And I used to write it down. I used to have when I first started, I had a little section in my planner where I counted my water intake and I had a list of what my alignment practice was so that I could remind myself to do all of those things. I've never been rigid to where it has to be done in a certain hour or whatever, but I always made sure that I did that throughout the day. And that's a great place to start. I am creating a customized planner for myself now, and I'll probably add that back so that I don't go to bed without doing some of the things that make me feel really good, that keep me aligned, that keep me steadfast, right, in what it is that I want to do. So that is your journaling time for tonight. is to write down what is your alignment practice going to be. And like I said, it can consist of 2 things, it can consist of 15 things, it can consist of 24 things, whatever. But write it down and start practicing it tomorrow. So, if this video resonated with you, you learned something new, you want to definitely see more of these, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and always hit that bell so you can get the notification for the next video coming out tomorrow. Love you.